anyị inu bụ mmanụ ndị Igbo ji eli okwu. Ọ na-eme ka agụmagụ ederede tọọ ụtọ ọgụgụ. Like I told you guys in my previous video, proverb, which is inu, na-adị n'ahịrịokwu zuru ezu, mana akpaala okwu idioms na-adị na nkeji ahịrịokwu. Okay? Tupu anyị ebido nkuzi nke taa, afa m bụ Ngozika. Hello guys, my name is Ngozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you are all welcome back to my channel. Ndi bany none. If today is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. I promise you a truckload of fun as usual. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for supporting me by watching my videos. Okay, very good. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell beside it, so that whenever I make new uploads, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, let's delve straight into today's lessons. Okay, also to go kwa inu proverb, inu proverb, proverbs inu. Okay, yes, the first on our list today is, I did in my previous video where I talked about akpaloku, that is idioms. I'm going to say the proverbs, give you the translations, that is the literal translation and the actual meaning. Okay, very good. Number 1, atwolo omalu, atwolo ofeke, ofenyi shinoria. The translation is this: if you talk to a wise person, he understands. But if you talk to a dunce, he runs into the bush. In other words, a word is enough for the wise. The next on our list is this: onye shi nyanara ata anu nkita, nyankwana mmili ovie. Onye shi na ya nara ata anu nkita, nyankwana mmili ovie. Onye shi na ya nara ata anu nkita, in English, he who dislikes dog meat should also not be interested in drinking dog meat soup. In other words, when you reject something, be it an idea or whatever it is, make sure you are also not interested in its proceeds. Yes. Onye shi na anara ata anu nkita, nyangukwana mmili ovie. Onye shi na ya nara ata anu nkita, nyangukwana mmili ovie. Okay? The next on our list is Ola towa uto ekwowe. Ola sleep. Okay? Ola towa uto ekwowe ya ekwowe. Ola towa uto ekwowe. When sleep becomes enjoyable, we snore, isn't it? Ola towa uto ekwowe. When sleep becomes enjoyable, we snore. The next one is this: nwatakịrị na-ebe akwa na-alụ aka, nne ya anọrịa, nne ya anọrịa. Nwata na-ebe akwa na-alụ aka, nne ya anọrịa, nne ya anọrịa. When a child is pointing at a particular direction while crying, either his mom or dad is over there. In other words, there is no smoke without fire. Achụaja abona afunu udene, imalu na ibe mel na bende mmụọ. Achụaja abona afunu udene, imalu na ibe mel na bende mmụọ. If a vulture, udene is vulture, okay? Udene is a vulture, okay? If a vulture fails to hover at the end of a sacrifice, then know that something happened in the land of the spirits. Okay? The next on our list is this: awo anara aboso ewiwie na nkete. Awo anara aboso ewiwie na nkete. Awo anara aboso ewiwie na nkete. Okay? A toad does not run in the afternoon for no reason. It's either something is pursuing it or it is pursuing something. I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can get the video I did on animals in Igbo language. Okay, so Awo anara abosi ebibi na nkete. The toad does not run in the afternoon for no reason. In other words, nothing happens without a cause. The next one is funny. Ene ni enwu ite ogbanyu oku. Yes, ite, pot. Ene ni enwu ite ogbanyu oku. It's funny, I translate it in English. Ene ni enwa ite ogbanyu oku. I'm going to make a video on household items in Igbo language, so watch out for that. Back to what we were saying. Ene ni enwu ite ogbanyu oku. In English, it translates when you overlook the small cooking pot, it puts off the fire. Okay? When you overlook the small cooking pot, it puts off the fire. Okay? In other words, neglect no one. Overlook no one. The next one is this. Agbacha agwo mile. After the race, we calculate the number of miles we run. Okay? In other words, there is always a reckoning day for our actions. Okay? Agbacha agwo mile. The next one is this. Iko onye ji mwele onye ọzọ ka eji wee ya mwele ya. Iko onye ji mwele onye ọzọ ka eji wee ya mwele ya. Iko onye ji wee mwele onye ọzọ ka eji wee ya mwele ya. In other words, you be treated the same way you treat others, okay? Iko iji mwele onye ọzọ ka eji wee ya mwele ya. Is this one difficult? No, it's not. It's not, okay? Just take a deep breath. Nwayoli, nwayo. Take it easy. It's not hard. Just take it easy. Nwayo. Inugo? Yes. Take it easy. Gradually, you are going to learn all this. Just take your time, okay? The next one is this. Ukwa luogie oda. Ukwa luogie oda. Ukwa is breadfruit, okay? Ukwa luogie oda, meaning when the time is right, everything will fall in place. Ukwa luogie oda, okay? Don't worry. When the time is right, everything will fall in place. Don't worry. And you know when so ukwa luogie oda. Inugo. The next one is nka onye dalu kachie kwatulie. Nka onye dalu kachie kwatulie. It simply means one's fate is decided by his creator. Nka onye dalu kachie kwatulie. One's fate is decided by his creator. Okay? One of my favorites is this. Mgbe onye jikunie bụ ụtụtụ ya. Mgbe onye jitete bụ ụtụtụ ya. When one wakes up, it's morning. When you wake up, it's your morning. What matters is that you wake. Mgbe onye jikunie bụ ụtụtụ ya, or mgbe onye jitete bụ ụtụtụ ya. Remember I told you guys in my previous video that the more you know the Igbo idioms, proverbs, and parables, the faster and easier you get to know our people. Yes, we are that interested. Na site na akpala okwu, idioms, n'ụmụnne ewu, inu na ụka bụ inu, proverb and parables. Ka esi amalive gbasara ndị be anyị, nya ndị Igbo ọnwụnwa. Oh yeah. The next one is this. Oke solu ngwele mma mmiri. Ọkọ ngwele ọ ga-akọkwa oke. Oke solu ngwele mma mmiri. Ọkọ ngwele ọ ya akọkwa oke. Oke is a rat and lizard ngwele. Okay? When the rat joined the lizard in the rain, if the body of the lizard gets dry, will that of the rat get dried too? In other words, can the success of one translate into that of another? Therefore, compare yourself to no one, okay? The next one can be used as a question and also a statement, okay? Eji ụtụtụ ama njọ avia. Eji ụtụtụ ama njọ avia. Ejiri ụtụtụ ama njọ afia. Eji ụtụtụ ama njọ avia. This one is a question. Remember I told you ụtụtụ is morning. It translates Can bad markets be predicted from the look of the morning hours? And the second one, which is not the question, okay? Bad markets cannot be predicted from the look of the morning hours. In other words, can the early stage of a child predict the state of wealth and wisdom in its adult life? Of course not. The next on the list is this. Nwatakịrị na-ata akara na-ata egie. Nwatakịrị na-ata akara na-ata egie. Nwatakịrị na-ata akara. Egie ka ọ na-ata. Mgbo. Nwatakịrị na-ata akara na-ata egie. Ibe nke a fụtara nwatakịrị na-eme isi ike na-ebutela onwe ya nsogbu. Oyibo ọfụta. Okay? The next one is this. Nne ewu na-ata agwala. Nwa ya na-enye anya n'ọnụ. Nne ewu na-ata agwala. Nwa ya na-enye anya n'ọnụ. In other words, children are the reflection of their parents, okay? Children are the reflection of their parents. Whatever you are doing as a parent, bear in mind that your child is watching, known or unknown to you. And the next one is onye kpatara nkwụ arụrụ shingwele biakutie olele. In other words, he who fetches ant-infested firewood invites the lizards for a feast. Last but not the least is wefu aka enwe n'owe tufu ogholo aka mmadụ. Wefu aka enwe n'owe tufu ogholo aka mmadụ. Wefu aka enwe n'owe tufu ogholo aka mmadụ. Inugo? In English it says, remove the hand of the monkey from the soup, lest it becomes a human hand. Wefu aka enwe. Remember aka, hand. Remember when we treated parts of the body in Igbo language? I also leave the link in the description so you can get that video. I also leave the link of that video, animals in Igbo language, in the description, okay? Yes. Wefu aka enwe n'owe, owe soup. Wefu aka enwe n'owe, tufu ogholo aka mmadụ. Remove the hand of the monkey from the soup, lest it become a human hand. Okay? In other words, desist from evil, lest you be consumed by it. Wefu aka enwe n'owe, tufu ogholo aka mmadụ. Inugo? Desist from evil, lest you be consumed by it. So guys, I'm glad we've achieved a lot today. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for hanging out with me. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell beside it, so that whenever I make new uploads, you'll be the first to be notified. Ndoyim, afam ka ukwa ngozika. Kodi no gozo. Bye.